Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Infinix Hot 30. First of all, open the phone dialer. Next, go to the contacts and right now select contact that you want to adjust the ringtone. Click on the three dots, tap to set the ringtone, and in this place you can find list of all available ringtones. When you go below and select Add Ringtone, you will be moved to the recent files. You can click on these three lines in the left upper corner and then go for the Infinix Hot 30 storage. Right here you can find all folders, so for example if you upload or download any music file, for example right here, you will be able to find it, then select, and it will appear right here. So we can set custom ringtone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.